Robert Downey Jr. just got paid more to be a villain than he ever did as Iron Man. Yup, Marvel is backing up the Brinks truck with a rumored $100 million base salary for 2 films. And get this, with bonuses, it could hit $200 million. Perks? Oh, honey. He's getting a private jet, his own fleet of trailers, and a security squad bigger than Latveria's army. And the cherry on top? He only agreed to return if the Russo brothers direct. RDJ as the big bad? The multiverse ain't ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot.